Kate Howard, portfolio manager at Fidelity, thinks that reporting season will bring a slate of reports that justify the recent share market rally.
Yeah.
From E will catch the P.
What does that mean?
You wrote the notes.
People often talk about price to earnings ratio.
Earnings will catch the
earnings
price.
will catch the price. The E will catch the P. Katie Hudson, the head of Australian Equities Research at Yarra Capital Management, is watching to see which industries have passed peak earnings. And what she means by that is there are a number of industries that are just on an unbelievable tear at the moment. Retail, like consumer spending, is just going crazy because of, JobKeeper, JobSeeker and everything. JB Hi-Fi said earlier this year they were running out of TVs. Like, can retail keep that momentum going? Another one is resources sector. We're just seeing commodity prices at all-time highs. How long can that continue? So Katie's looking to see which industries have passed their peak earnings.
Interesting.
Yeah.
We have Brendan O'Day, the managing director of Milton, and he's keeping an eye on the dividend payout ratios. A, will they reset to COVID levels? Or B, are companies choosing to keep cash reserves on their balance sheet to protect in case of further COVID disruptions, which we're certainly seeing at the moment. And depending on which way a company goes will be a real indicator of the level of confidence within the boardrooms of some of the big companies around Australia.
So people might not be familiar with the term dividend payout ratios, and that's simply, if you make $100 in profit and you pay, $40 of it in dividends, then it's a 40% dividend payout ratio. It's the amount of your profit that you're paying out as dividends. During COVID, companies cut that right down to keep cash because they had no idea what was going to happen. So if it rebounds to pre-COVID levels, that will be a general indicator that businesses are feeling more confident about the direction of the economy, not feeling they need to hoard as much cash. Gabrielle Rezmitsky, MD of Sandon Capital, is watching for indicators of the inflation story. Now, this has been a big one over in the US reporting season. A lot of commentary about it from CEOs over there. What are we going to see in Australia? Are we going to see, effects of supply bottlenecks? Are we going to hear about labour shortages like we have over in the US? Are those pressures easing? Are they staying? Inflation is definitely the buzzword of 2021. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like in this earnings season.
Well, we have inflation numbers on Wednesday, Ren. So no doubt when we're in this hot seat on Wednesday, there'll be a lot of chit chat throughout the day. So hopefully we can contribute to that. And to close out, Paul McTaggart, Citi's head of research, is watching for 2022 guidance in terms of what's coming for. Is it going to be more than 2021?
Yeah. Not as worried about the 2021 results. More interested in 2022 guidance. What companies are projecting for the next financial year? Yeah.
So. Bull or bear from companies in the banks, mining, healthcare, retail, and real estate investment trusts.